In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of buttons on the Dawn theme in Shopify all in under 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to match your brand's color palette or simply want a fresh look for your online store, we'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you have a stunning result in no time. Let's get started by heading over to Shopify. Once you're there, you want to locate the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Shopify account. Once your email address is correctly typed in, click on continue with email to proceed to the next step. You'll find yourself looking at the password field now. Enter your password, ensuring everything is spelled correctly, as these fields are often case sensitive. Once you're sure everything is accurate, hit the login button to get into your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard. You'll find an option labeled My Store. Click on it and it should take you to your store's homepage within the admin interface. What you'll want to do next is select Online Store from the same menu on the left. This will open a sub-menu where you'll see a Themes option. Go ahead and click on that. Upon entering the Themes page, locate the Customize button. This is where you begin tailoring the visual elements of your store. Clicking Customize will bring you to the theme editor. In the theme editor, turn your attention to the gear icon, which is often found in the top or side toolbars. Clicking this will open a range of settings for your theme. From there, navigate to the colors section. This is where all your color management will happen. Inside the color settings, look for a subsection named Scheme. Clicking into that will reveal various color schemes you can apply to different components of your theme. Your task is to find the option specifically for buttons. Once you do, start adjusting the button colors to suit your needs. Maybe you want a bold red to catch the eye or a calming blue, whichever color aligns best with your brand identity. Be sure to keep an eye on your changes in the preview pane to see how the new colors impact the overall look and feel of your site. Once you're satisfied with your choice, head over to the top right corner where you'll find a Save button. Click it to apply your changes. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the button colors on the Dawn theme. Customizing your Shopify store helps keep it fresh and in line with your branding, enhancing the overall shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching.